Well, it's raining down here. When it rains good. We'll have a look and see what it's like. Well, it's been raining now for 36 hours, heavy rain. So I guess it's caused by Tropical Storm Sarah, which is in the Caribbean, which is like 300 to 400 miles away. And it looks like it's going to still rain for another 12 hours. The roads turn into rivers. And I guess I'm going to delay my laundry for another 12 hours at least and see what happens. You don't do much, you just sit around and wait. There's not much you can do unless you want to go out and get a free shower. Okay, keep you informed. All good. I'm safe. Everybody's safe. Ciao for now.